Today, April 24th, 2026, two things happen simultaneously that are going to change how your business uses AI forever. China's DeepSeek launched what they're calling the most powerful open-source AI model in the world, and OpenAI fired back with GPT-5.5, their most advanced autonomous AI agent to date. Both happened today. Same day. This is not a coincidence. This is the AI war escalating to a level we've never seen before. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this means for your business and the specific moves you need to make, starting today. Let me give you the full context of what happened today, because the timing is extraordinary. DeepSeek, the Chinese AI startup that shocked Silicon Valley exactly 1 year ago, just dropped their V4 model. V4 Flash and V4 Pro. They're calling it the most powerful open-source AI platform in existence, claiming it outperforms everything from OpenAI to Anthropic in coding benchmarks. Their new architecture, what they call hybrid attention architecture, allows the AI to remember entire conversations perfectly and process documents up to 1 million tokens in a single prompt. For context, that's roughly 750,000 words processed at once. An entire library of documents in a single conversation. And it's open source, meaning anyone can use it for free. Within hours of that announcement, OpenAI responded. GPT-5.5, their new agentic model, went live for ChatGPT+ Pro, business, and enterprise users. OpenAI is calling it a new class of intelligence for real work, a model that doesn't just answer questions, but autonomously completes complex tasks by switching between multiple tools. Two of the most powerful AI models in history launched the same day. This is what the AI war looks like when it goes from cold to hot. And for business owners, this is either your biggest opportunity or your biggest threat, depending on whether you're paying attention. Let's break it all down. Let's start with DeepSeek V4, because this is the announcement that caught everyone off guard. 1 year ago, DeepSeek launched a model that crashed NVIDIA's stock by $600 billion in a single day. Their claim was simple and shocking. They had built an AI model that performed as well as OpenAI's best for a fraction of the cost. The AI industry collectively lost its mind, because if true, it meant that the advantage American companies had built through billions of dollars in investment could be replicated by China for almost nothing. Today, exactly 1 year later, DeepSeek is back, and they're not just matching the competition anymore. They're claiming to lead it. DeepSeek V4 brings 3 major capabilities that are immediately relevant to business owners. Capability 1, the 1 million token context window. In simple terms, you can now give DeepSeek V4 an entire year of your business emails, your complete customer database, your full financial history, and ask it to analyze, summarize, and find patterns across all of it in a single conversation. No chunking, no splitting documents, no losing context halfway through. The entire picture, all at once. For businesses with large amounts of data, this is transformational. Capability 2, superior coding performance. DeepSeek V4 claims to outperform every other model on coding benchmarks. For business owners building AI automation systems, this matters. Better coding performance means more complex automations, more reliable systems, fewer errors. If you're using AI to build business workflows, V4 makes them better. Capability 3, it's free. Open source. No subscription. Available to anyone. For small businesses watching their cost, a free model that outperforms expensive paid alternatives is an immediate economic advantage. Now let's look at what OpenAI launched today in response. GPT-5.5. This is not just a better chatbot. OpenAI is explicitly positioning this as an agentic model, a model designed to complete work, not just answer questions. Here's exactly what that means. Previous AI models, including GPT-4 and even GPT-5, were fundamentally reactive. You asked a question. They gave you an answer. You acted on the answer. GPT 5.5 is different in a fundamental way. You give it a goal. It figures out the steps to achieve that goal. It uses tools, browsers, code executors, databases, external applications. To actually execute those steps, it reports back when it's done. OpenAI is calling it AI that does work rather than assists with it. The benchmarks are extraordinary. Terminal Bench 2.0, 82.7% accuracy. Expert-level software engineering tasks. Frontier mathematics problems. Cybersecurity analysis. Early users are reporting completing full academic research papers and complete software projects with minimal input. And for business users specifically, OpenAI also launched Workspace Agents in ChatGPT for business and enterprise. These are AI agents that work across your existing tools, Slack, Gmail, your CRM, gathering context, following workflows, requesting approvals when needed, and improving over time as they learn your processes. The vision OpenAI is executing is an AI that functions like a senior employee, one that understands your business, knows your tools, follows your processes, and gets things done autonomously. This is the most significant shift in practical AI capability since ChatGPT launched in 2022. Now the question every business owner needs answered: which one should you use? Let me give you a framework that actually helps you decide. Rather than a generic, it depends. Use DeepSeek V4 when you need to process massive amounts of your own business data. The 1 million token context window makes DeepSeek uniquely powerful for analysis tasks that involve large volumes of text or data, analyzing your entire customer history, processing large document sets, reviewing extensive contracts or reports. You're building AI systems and need code generation. DeepSeek's coding benchmarks make it the strongest option for building automations and custom tools. You want zero cost for small businesses or startups watching their AI spend. DeepSeek V4 being free is an immediate advantage. Use GPT-5.5 when you need autonomous task completion. If you want AI that will actually go and complete multi-step business tasks without you supervising each step, GPT-5.5's agentic architecture is purpose-built for this. You need integration with your existing business tools. GPT-5.5's workspace agents connect to Slack, Gmail, and other business tools in ways DeepSeek currently doesn't. You need the highest reliability for critical business decisions. GPT-5.5's safety systems and red teaming for business environments make it the safer choice for high-stakes applications. The smart move? Use both. DeepSeek for data processing, analysis, and code generation, free. GPT-5.5 for autonomous task completion and business tool integration, paid. You get the best of both worlds at a cost that's lower than using GPT-5.5 alone for everything. Let me get very specific about what today's announcements actually mean for your business, because the implications go deeper than most people realize. Implication number 1. The cost of AI is heading toward zero. DeepSeek V4 being free and matching or exceeding the performance of paid models puts enormous pressure on every AI company to lower their prices within 12 months. Capabilities that cost $100 per month today will likely be available for $10 or less. This is extraordinarily good news for small business owners. The AI capabilities that were previously reserved for enterprise companies with large budgets will be accessible to anyone with a laptop and internet connection. Implication number 2. Autonomous AI agents are now real. GPT-5.5's agentic capabilities are not experimental anymore. They're available today for business users, and OpenAI is explicitly designing them to integrate with the business tools you already use. The vision of AI that works for your business, rather than just answering questions, is becoming reality right now. Implication number 3. The skills gap is widening fast. Every week that these AI capabilities improve and become more accessible, the gap between business owners who use them effectively and those who don't gets wider. A business owner using GPT-5.5 agents to autonomously complete research, drafting, analysis, and communication can now produce what a team of 5 used to produce. Against a competitor not using AI, this advantage compounds quickly. Implication number 4. Chinese AI is now genuinely competitive. DeepSeek V4's launch today is not just a technology story. It's a geopolitical story. China has demonstrated, twice now, that it can build AI models that match or exceed American capabilities. For business owners, this means more competition, which means better tools and lower prices. For the industry, it means the AI race is no longer being run by American companies alone. Before I give you the action plan, I need to tell you about the third major story today, that nobody is connecting to DeepSeek and GPT 5.5. Tesla. Today, Tesla also announced they are tripling their AI investment from $8.5 billion last year to more than $25 billion in 2026. The target, Optimus humanoid robots and their robotaxi service. Now, why does this matter to a business owner who isn't buying a robot or a robotaxi? Because Tesla's announcement confirms a trend that DeepSeek and GPT 5.5 also confirm. The AI race is moving from software into the physical world. AI agents that today live in your laptop, completing tasks in digital environments, are rapidly moving into robots that can complete tasks in the physical world. Tesla's Optimus robot can already perform basic factory tasks. Within 3 years, physical AI robots will be available for commercial deployment in warehouses, retail locations, restaurants, and offices. This creates a new category of business opportunity and a new category of competitive threat that every business owner needs to start thinking about now. The businesses that start integrating AI now, building the digital infrastructure, the automated workflows, the AI-powered systems, will be best positioned to add physical AI when it becomes commercially available. The businesses waiting to start will be even further behind when that moment arrives. Here is your specific action plan based on everything that happened today. Action 1. Test DeepSeek V4 today. Go to DeepSeek.com. Create a free account. Upload your most complex business document, a contract, a financial report, a year of customer data, and ask it to analyze and summarize. Experience firsthand what 1 million token context actually means in practice. I promise it will change how you think about AI's capabilities. Action 2. Access GPT 5.5 today. If you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, GPT 5.5 is available to you right now. Open ChatGPT. Switch to GPT 5.5. Give it a complex, multi-step business task, something that normally takes you an entire afternoon. Watch what it does autonomously. Again, experiencing this firsthand is more valuable than any number of explanations. Action 3. Build your multi-model strategy. Stop thinking about AI as one tool you use for everything. Start thinking about a portfolio of AI tools, each optimized for specific tasks. Map your business's biggest time consumers. Assign the right AI to each one. Large document analysis, DeepSeek V4. Autonomous task completion, GPT 5.5. Writing and communication, Claude. Research with citations, Perplexity. This is how sophisticated business owners are using AI in 2026. Not picking one, using the best for each job. Action 4. Start before your competitors do. Every day you wait to implement what launched today is a day your competitors can move ahead. The business owners who will be dominating their markets in 12 months are the ones acting on this today, not tomorrow, today. Today was one of the most significant days in the history of AI. DeepSeek launched V4, the most powerful open-source AI model ever, for free, challenging everything American AI companies have built. OpenAI launched GPT 5.5, a genuinely autonomous AI agent that completes complex business tasks, available today for business users. Tesla tripled their AI investment, signaling that physical AI is coming to commercial businesses faster than most people expect. 3 announcements, one day, each one individually significant. Together, they represent the clearest signal yet that we are living through the fastest technological transformation in human history, and you are watching it happen in real time. The question is, what are you going to do about it? My challenge to you is simple. This week, test both models. DeepSeek V4, free. GPT 5.5 If you have ChatGPT Plus, give each one your most time-consuming business task, and then come back here and tell me in the comments which one performed better for you. I'm genuinely curious, and your real-world results will help everyone in this community make better decisions about which tools to use. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because the AI news cycle is moving so fast that if you miss a week, you miss months of competitive advantage. I'm here every week with the intelligence you need to stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one.